So I eat keto, so I have lots of kind of meat snacks in my house, if you will, and beef sticks are really good meat snack. However, most brands of beef sticks have lots of sugar in them or lots of other things in them that have higher carbohydrate counts, and for me, eating keto, that just doesn't work. So I found lots of really low carb, low sugar options of like beef jerky and beef sticks, but they're usually, I'm afraid to say, very bland and not that great. I found these recently, and in my opinion, they're a game changer. I genuinely like these better than most other beef sticks or pretty much any other beef stick I've ever had. Even the big name brand ones with all the carbs and sugars in them. These things only have a little over 2 grams of carb per huge stick here, so you can eat this whole package and not be out of ketosis. I think they also taste great. This is the Pepperjack cheese one. They also have Swiss cheese and blue cheese. I'm not a humongous cheese fan, so I kind of go for the Pepperjack cheese to get a little bit of that spicy bite in there. And for me, they're just awesome. They are a snack that I have on my counter at all times. If I'm thinking of snacking, I grab one of these things and it fits into my keto lifestyle and it tastes great. So in my opinion, in my humble opinion, if you want a low carb beef stick, or even if you're not worried about low carb, these are still really, really good. I'm telling you, try them. You will be sold. I love these things and I would definitely recommend them.